I'm Lance with Brando Consulting, Fishbowl inventory expert since 2006. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps of the receiving screen on the desktop. So first of all, to navigate to the receiving screen, you'll find it under Purchasing here, or in the menu bar on the left-hand side under Purchasing here, or on the home screen, the receiving screen will be under the Purchasing category here. So it's under Purchasing. So now that we're on the receiving screen on the desktop, the idea here is to have a computer next to your shipping and receiving bay. We still want to try to accomplish the concept of the person that touches the inventory is the person that records what he or she did. So we want the receiving screen in the vicinity and try to avoid bringing the packing slip to someone in the office to record when they get around to it. That creates latency and reduces your inventory accuracy. So after you've counted the inventory and you've marked up the packing slip should have the vendor's name or the order number on it. So in this section right here under the search area, you can search for the purchase order to be received, or if you're lucky to just see it down here, click on it, click. That will load it up on the right hand side of the screen and you'll see the part number, and down below, here let me get my mug out of the way and put it up there. Down below you'll see the quantity that you counted. You can change the user rights so this unit cost won't even show up. Actually, I've got another video on user rights. Be sure to take a look at that. Also, you have the option to receive it to the receiving location or a stock location of your choice. And the deep dive receiving tutorial will dive into those details in further detail. But this is just the simple steps. So we're just going to go over the simple steps. Highlight the line you're going to receive and click on the truck on the right. That's best practices, to click on the truck on the right, not the truck on the top left-hand corner. If you click on the truck on the top left-hand corner, you're going to skip the location selection, skip the quantity selection, skip it all, and it's going to receive everything. So you lose control doing that way. Rarely would you use that, and you can also eliminate that using user rights. So click the receive button on the right. This happens to be something we're receiving a serial number for, so hopefully you have the serial number and you can key in the serial number right there. Okay, let's go through those simple steps once again. You search for the PO, using these search fields. Pull up the PO number. Let's grab that one. Double click to load it on the screen. Now I love these curveballs. They always throw me off because they're going to throw you off as well. This is a purchase order with a double yellow line. That just means that someone put it on hold and you can't receive it until you take it off of hold. Nope, I'm wrong. When I double click it, hold doesn't light up, so something else is going on. This is a repair service. So this tells me this is probably an outsourced PO, which if you want to see the details on that, take a look at our outsourced PO video or our deep dive on receiving. Okay, let's pick one just for the simple steps tutorial. Here's a good one. It's got 2 parts on it. We'll double click here. The quantity is 49. We can actually change it to 50. We can go higher or lower. Click receive on the right. If it's a different quantity, it will give us a little warning sign. We'll click finish. Yes, we do want to receive more than we purchased. That happens sometimes. Click on the next one. We can receive less than what was purchased as well. Select the location you're going to receive it into. This is where your bin locations will show up. We've got some very simple examples for bin locations there. And then click receive on the right hand side. Now if we receive less than we did, it will ask us to receive the rest later. It'll remain open so we can receive it later. And there's a close short button on the purchase order screen if we're not going to receive that later. So you can use that close short. So the simple steps are search for the PO, select the PO, highlight the line, enter the quantity, enter the location. That's the receiver's job, right? The quantity and the location, and then click receive. Be sure to record it in real time to achieve accurate inventory tracking. Be sure to repeat these steps over and over and over until you go live, just to implant this into your muscle memory so it's second nature, and also to dive in deeper, maybe get more questions answered. Be sure to watch my deep dive tutorial on the receiving screen. And as always, subscribe to be sure to not miss other videos like this. If it was helpful, I'd love a like and comment below if you have any questions.